I'm Stav Zilbershtein, CEO of Hyperion Tech. We're a company based in Malta. We're doing software engineering teams, dedicated teams for iGaming, fintech, and fast-growing companies. We are now in the iGaming Forum and the AI Forum in Stockholm, and talking about exciting developments in the iGaming industry in this upcoming year. Sweden has a lot of talented developers on the one hand. On the other hand, it's quite an expensive region and it's very hard to scale. The environment is very competitive in the city. So this is where scaling in other regions comes into hand, quite practical. The employment laws in Sweden are also quite harsh and the processes are quite complex and bureaucratic. So this is kind of putting a stick into the wheels of scaling up. The main challenges of every company, especially in this industry, that they have to produce many deliverables quite fast and out to the market. Innovation is growing in an incredible pace, and now with the regulation squeezing in, those who won't manage to execute their deliverables are going to stay out of the game. This is exactly where some kind of this outstaffing solution can come into play, and companies can still have their focused product departments work internally while having new projects being run by outstaffing companies and services of such. The iGaming industry is a fast-paced industry that most companies are located in Malta. This is a region where competition is quite hard, and in general there's not enough talents that can go and work in software engineering and software engineering solutions. This is why we are targeting this sector as one of our main sectors, even though we also service fintech and other fast-growing companies. So we see how we can easily, and already do, solve the challenge for many companies on the island by helping them scale quickly with the abundance of talents from Ukraine, which are all in senior levels, in the most advanced and up-to-date frameworks. This is how we see the collaboration work so well. That's why we are growing so fast. What we do especially is not only to provide the actual people that sit down and code, but we provide with a supportive layer that really studies the clients and the product manager and how they work, how their culture is, and what exactly they are trying to achieve. This way, we are able to create a double feedback system where we also contribute to the process of development and hand in hand go together with the client towards their goals. This is how we can make breakthroughs in innovation for our clients. AI is a sort of a buzzword that everybody wants to take place in, and generally big data is what these operators and companies are holding onto. So this kind of data is very precious. The moment you have big data, you can analyze patterns in it. So AI will come into play by defining the tasks of each company, which are the complicated, more complex tasks that can no longer be done by human, like observing small information about user behavior and leverage on that for business purposes. This is exactly also an area where Hyperion can contribute in. We are also actively engaged in AI, where we are hiring AI engineers and AI talents to help bridge between the lack of knowledge and availability of talents in this region of iGaming into the Ukraine, and together join forces and make it succeed. The cost of such experts in these regions, Malta and Stockholm, let's say that even regardless that they are not so much available, the ones that are available will be extremely expensive. This is where we are educating the next generation of AI specialists that can help go into the process and start, and not wait for a high-level solution that can be too costly and take too much time to implement. Hyperion is growing very fast. I think we are tackling the challenge very well. So far we are already around 120 people and growing constantly. What we're constantly doing is providing more educational layers to our supportive layer and more trainings to make sure that they are ready for what's coming. What's coming is more precision, more expertise when working with clients and identifying their needs and helping them scale their products. So that's basically what we're targeting. All across Europe, we are starting strongly into London, Germany, Malta, and now Sweden as well.